All right, my list is created, affiliate test list. Let's integrate it here into my opt-in page. Aweber, existing form, affiliate test list. I'm all connected, save, preview. My opt-in page is done. Put my name, my email, and what the f***? What's going on? AJ here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your mailing list not active message that's popping up. You probably tried a bunch of things but you can't figure it out. It's actually really easy. It only takes about a minute to fix, so let's jump in and show you how to do it. So first thing we're going to do is head on back to Aweber and make sure you have the correct list selected here on the top. Now, the reason why you're getting that message is because you don't have a sign up form attached to that list yet. So let's go ahead and select create a sign up form. And we're not going to go through the process of creating a sign up form. We're just going to go through the motions. So select step 2, press step 3, and then save your form. And that's literally all you have to do on the Aweber side of things. I know, it's so simple. So next we're going to head back over to ClickFunnels. So if you're still getting the message, we need to re-integrate here. So make sure you select remove integration on top and select Aweber, existing form, and you're going to want to select right here, refresh your list from API. So go ahead and select that. Now you put your affiliate test list in there. Let's go ahead and save. And when that's all done saving, now when we preview, I want access, you'll put your name, your email, and this time it should go through, and there you go. So now your list is active, it's up and running, and you won't get that annoying not active list anymore. So if this video was helpful, make sure you smash the thumbs up for me. The YouTube algorithm appreciates it, and so do I. And make sure you subscribe down to the channel below for more helpful tips just like this one. I'm AJ, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.